Hello, welcome. Today we are going to learn a new skill that's related to the animation. Wow, awesome animation skill by using a Callipeg or a Callipeg application. So basically we call it as a Callipeg. So it's an iOS. So you can use an iPad or an iPhone. So let's go to the App Store. And we need to search for the Collipeg, Callipeg. So it's a okay, so let's explore the Callipeg. You have to install this application. So this is a animation creating tool. Okay, so let's just look into this what we are able to do with this tool once we develop this new skill. See, we can do all these kinds of different animations. So we can create the story and some different cartoon kind of thing. All these things we can going to learn by learning this Callipeg. Let's just see this one. What's this? Okay. Wow, that's great. So there's a lot of features we can see here. Wow. Okay, so I think you people install this application, and let's open this application. Oh, this is the studio. This is called as the Callipeg Studio. So this is the main interface. When you open, you'll get. Okay, we will learn each lessons one by one. Yes, that's it. Thank you.